Hello guys, today we'll be looking at Mavia and how you can possibly make over 322 USDT from Mavia. We will look at its market cap, we'll look at the total circulating supply and what it will may take to make us make a reasonable money from it. So after looking at it, you're going to tell me either we are to invest on it or not. But before we dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, do it to subscribe, like and share. Now let's dive in. So here we are in the Mavia. So let's look at it. So this is the Mavia, and this is what the current chart actually look like. So the next thing we're going to check about this Mavia for us to see if we're diving in or not is we're going to look at the overview. Okay, the overview at the top right hand side here, left hand side here is the overview. We're going to look at the overview. We'll see the data, the feed, the total turnover for today, and see what the market cap is. All right, so look at the overview. If we look at the overview, here we are in the overview. So we're going to click on info. Yeah, now look at the total info right here right now. So what's all the what we expecting, or what we are hoping is for the market cap of this particular Mavia to increase, because if you look at its circulating supply, it wasn't that much. Okay, its supply isn't much. So all we want, or we can pray for now, is to pray for the market cap to increase. Here's the market cap. And see the market cap is the current market cap is almost 4 million. Okay, it was 4 million 2 days ago, and now I think it's dropping. That is, the level of the investors are actually dropping. So look at the market cap. Here's the market cap. Here's the market cap, sorry, and here is the circulating supply. You can see that the circulating supply isn't much. So if the market cap managed to increase to, if the market cap managed to increase to like 10,000, let's just say, okay, let's just say 8,000, no, 8 million, sorry. If the market cap managed to increase to 8 million, what will now be the volume of the market cap like right now? Okay, so if we divide 8 million by now 8 million by 51 million, this 51, this millions already 51 million. Okay, the circulation supply is 51 million. So let's quickly look at the calculator. If 8 million, right, is 8 million divided by 51, okay, divided by 51 million, the value of the Mavia will be 0.15. You can say 0.15 will be the value of the Mavia if the market cap gets to 8 million. All right, so and as at now the market cap is at 3775428. Let's see, 3775 428. Okay, that's 3.8 million divided by, let's look at the market cap, divided by 51619,195, 51619,195. You can see this is the current price of the Mavia, 0.07314. Now let's look at the market where Mavia is. Let's look at the chart. Okay, let's look at the chart, and let's, you can see, yeah, this is where actually is roughly is this the current price of the Mavia. So the market cap divided by the circulating supply, the CS, which is circulating supply, will give you the current price of the crypto coin in the market. So our prayer now is for this particular coin to for this particular market cap to be increased, and when this particular market cap is being increased, then we can have something reasonable to deal with. Now I'm gonna going to look at its market cap currently. Okay, no, sorry, it's 24 hours turnover, which is 540. I think some people are actually turning up to this, and the 24 hours low right now is 0.7 130. I'm having a strong hope that this particular coin will actually turn out to be a something reasonable, which is why I kept talking about it, and which is why I always wanted to invest in it, and I want you also to invest on it. But investing on this, you must actually be patient, because making money from trading cryptocurrency or making money from investing in cryptocurrency coin is actually something that is very simple but technical. So you can see the high for today as well is 0.79. Okay, and we are expecting this market cap to get to 8 million so that we can cash out, we can trade this coin at 0.15, right? So the moment this market cap gets to that particular volume, then definitely we're going to make out a reasonable profit. But though lately this crypto market is being very poor, but we are hoping for it to come up back on feet in the nearest time. You can see, let's look at the back days where this has been doing. Look at this place. This coin went as high as 0.2, which was a very reasonable one. Okay, it went as high as 0.26569, which was a very reasonable one. Okay, let's say right now currently I've invested some couple of USDT into this particular coin. You can see currently what I've invested, and let's see if this place turned to 0.2. What possibly could I make? How much possibly can I make? So we're gonna going to look at this and see how much possibly I can make with 130 USDT. All right, so turning this place now, editing this place to 0.2. Wow, with this will be above 3 times double of my purchasing power. You can see this is what I can actually make. So you can actually possibly make 362 USD for just investing 132 USD. So what are you still waiting for? If you invest, but don't forget, the more you invest, the more actually you will make. So let's focus on the market cap and see what this market will be in the nearest future. The last thing I want us to check before I end up this class is the order book. Order book shows how many percent of people are actually buying with a particular volume, and also how many percent of people are actually selling with a particular volume. All right, so looking at this carefully, you will understand that actually a lot of people are entering this market. This person entered with 54,000 and this person sold out 54,000. This is 1 1. Okay, then the second person's enter with 981 and this person sold 239. You can see, I think from all of these, the investors now are greater than the sellers. All right, so let me look at this data. Looking at this data now, you can see that the numbers of the investors are 18438.18, and the numbers of the outflow is 249,499.01. I can see these sellers are still far greater than the investors, right? But in the nearest time, I think investors are actually coming up. We can see large and medium. You can see this one also. The large here is 115 and the large here is 17. They are all very close. So in the news, in the soon time, we're going to look at something reasonable by God's willing. So if you invest now, it will be better for you. But when you invest, be patient. Okay, be very patient. So you must also understand that this is not a financial advice. This is a lookout for you, and you are also bound to make your own research for before you invest anything in this particular cryptocurrency coin. But this is a particular coin that I have a strong hope on it, which is why I'm talking to you about it. All right, you can see in the past this coin has also done well. This coin was launched at 0.0.4. It took a high price to 40 USDT before it dropped, and it has never gone to that volume again. What if this coin choose to get to 30 USDT? What will you make? So this brings me to the end of this very class. I want you to tell me what you think about this particular coin at the descriptive session so that we can see what next we gotta go to do. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.